Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggita Prameswari, and today I will presentation about phrasal structure rules. In syntax, phrasal structure rules, also called phrase structure rules or PS rules, that describe the internal structure of phrase and sentence, and help us to understand how words group together to form larger syntactic units such as noun phrase is NP, verb phrase is VP, and sentence is S. The next is basic phrase structure rules. And number one, a sentence can consist NP and VP, noun phrase and verb phrase. And number two is noun phrase can consist of determiner, adjective, adjective phrase, noun, and optionally a proportional phrase, PP. And the next is number three, verb phrase can consist of verb, possibly followed by a noun phrase, prepositional phrase, and advp. Advp is an adverb phrase. The next is number 4. PP, prepositional phrase, can consist preposition followed by a noun phrase. The next is adjective. Adjective phrase can consist optional adverb and an adjective, adj and adv. The next is number 6. Advp, adverb phrase, may consist one or more adverbs, adv. And here is an example of phrase structure rules in use. Number 1 is sentence divided into two, NP and VP, noun phrase and verb phrase. And the example sentence is the cat sleep. The cat as a noun phrase, sleep as a verb phrase. And number 2 is NP, noun phrase divided into two, determine and end. And the example sentence is a student. As a determine, student as a noun. And number 3 is VP, verb phrase, divided into two, verb and noun phrase. Example sentence is read a book. Read as a verb, a book as a noun phrase. Here is number 4, PP, prepositional phrase, divided into two, preposition and noun phrase. Noun phrase divided into two, determine and noun. And example sentence is in the garden. In is a preposition, the garden as a noun phrase, the as a determine, and garden as a noun. The next is part 2, syntax diagram analysis. And the first sentence is Rina or Andi and Tina buy some books and pencils in the market. Here it divided into two branch, NP and VP, noun phrase and verb phrase. In this NP section, I divided into three, noun, conjunction, and NP. Then here is Rina or Andi and Tina is a unit that is a subject. So I read this whole section as NP. Then I divide it again into three branch. Noun is a Rina or is as a conjunction. Andi and Tina is NP. Divided into three. Andi is a noun and is a conjunction. Tina as a noun. Then in this VP section, I divide it into two, verb phrase and prepositional phrase. Buy some books and pencils. I put it in the VP section. The verb is buy, some as a degree, and this NP divided into two, books as a noun and as a conjunction, and pencil as a noun. And in the market is a part of prepositional phrase because it's description of the place. Divided into two, preposition and NP. In is a preposition, NP there is determine and noun, the as a determine, market as a noun. And second sentence is my young sister and elder brother visit our grandma last week. Here I divided into two branch, noun phrase and verb phrase. Then in the NP section, I divided into three branch, noun phrase, NP, conjunction, and NP. My young sister and elder brother is the subject, so is connected with the word is and. The first branch is NP. Here is a determine and NP. My is a determine, NP divided into two. Young is adjective and sister is a noun. And word and is a conjunction. And elder brother is NP. Elder is a adjective, brother is a noun. And then a VP section is divided into three parts: verb, noun phrase, and adverb phrase, ADVP. Visit is a verb. Visit is a verb. NP, it is to, determine and noun. Our is a determine, grandma as a noun. And last week is a time statement, so I wrote it as a ADVP. Last is adverb, week as a noun. And the next sentence is the fisherman caught many fishes from lake this morning. Here there is NP and VP. NP section is the fisherman. The as determined, fisherman as a noun. Then in the VP section, I divide it into three branch: VP, phrase, PP, prepositional phrase, and ADVP, adverb phrase. Caught many fishes is a VP. Caught is a verb, and many fishes is NP. Many is a determined, fishes as a noun. Next is PP, from lake. I write SPP because it's a place description, like from it's a preposition, like is a noun. And this morning is ADVP because it explains the time description. This is an adverb, morning is a noun. And number 4 is I shoot the basketball but I missed the target by a huge distance. This is a compound sentence because both sentences can stand alone, connected with the word is but. The first clause is I shoot the basketball. First clause divided into two, NP and VP. I is a noun. The first clause is I shoot the basketball. Shoot the basketball is a VP. Shoot is a verb. The basketball is a noun phrase. The as a determine. Basketball as a noun. And but is a conjunction. And the next is second clause. I missed the target by huge distance. The NP is I. I is a noun. And the VP section, I divide it into three branch: verb, noun phrase, and prepositional phrase. The verb is missed. And The target is a NP. The is determined, N is a target, and noun is a target. And the by a huge distance is a PP because it explains how far he shot. By its preposition, is a determined, an adjective divided into two. Huge as adjective, distant as adjective too. And number five is a compound sentence too. My name is Juan and I will be your friend for this semester. The first clause is my name is Juan. First clause divided into two branch. NP, non-phrase, and VP for phrase. My is determined, name is noun. Is Juan is VP. Is an auxiliary as Juan is a noun. And the second clause I divided into two branch NP and VP. NP, I will is NP. I is a noun and will is auxiliary. And I divided in VP section I divided it into three branch verb NP and PP. Be is a verb. Your friend is a NP. Your is a determined. Friend is noun. Uh, in this semester is a PP. In is preposition. This is determined. And semester is a noun. This semester is NP. And the next sentence is the big girl saw Eleazar with a lovable panda recently. This is ambiguity sentence. The first diagram syntax. In the first diagram syntax, the verb is separated, and it means big girl saw Eleazar carrying or bring that panda. Jadi diagram pertama ini itu artinya tuh kayak big girl lihat lihat Eleazar bawa si panda. Jadi big girl lihat Eleazar bawa panda. And I divided into two branch, NP and VP. The verb is separated. NP, the big girl is NP. The is determined, big as adjective, girl as noun. And VP section, I divide it into three branch, V, NP, and adverb phrase. ADVP. So is a verb. NP divide it to branch, noun, and PP. Noun is a Eleazar. Preposition phrase divided into two. Preposition and noun phrase. With is a preposition. A lovable panda is a noun phrase. As a determined, lovable as adjective, panda as a noun. And recently as a adverb phrase. And it's the same sentence, but the second sentence it means big girl and panda saw Eleazar. Jadi diagram sintak yang kedua ini tuh sama aja kayak artinya tuh kayak big girl sama panda lihat Eleazar. Big girl sama panda lihat si Eleazar. Nah, I divided into two, noun phrase and verb phrase. The big girl is a noun phrase. The is a determined. Big as adjective. Girl is a noun. And in the VP section, I divide it into three branch. VP, PP, and adverb phrase. ADVP. So Eleazar is a VP section. VP. Saw is a verb, Eliezer is a noun. NPP divide it into two, preposition and NP. With is a preposition. NP divided into three. Is a determined, lovable as adjective, panda as a noun. And recently as ADVP or adverb phrase. So that is my presentation about diagrams syntax. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.